Hey, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. So on this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, look in the description of the video. You will see my link tree. Click on that link tree and you're going to find two videos. One video is how you can sell hotspots. That's right. We teach you how you can sell internet, start your own internet company. Or if you want to be an entrepreneur, I can teach you how you can start multiple businesses and make over 6 figures in less than a year. Hey, I have a lot of students that's making $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month. If you don't believe me, check out my testimony videos. Enough with the self-promotion. Let's jump right into it. Today we want to talk about the Sofabaton. This is the X1 or 1X controller, remote controller that came out. This is a very good device. It have the capability of storing 5,000 devices into it. We had it on the show before. I still have about 15 of them still in the box. I give them to family and friends. People love them. So I was very excited when they contacted me to do the review on this remote. However, we did have some problems, and I'm going to show you the problems that we had and my communication back and forth with the company. And I'm going to see if the fix that they sent me, I'm going to see if that solution fixed the problem. All right, guys, let's get right into it. All right, guys, so here we are in my emails. I just want to show you guys, after I did the unboxing, I was having trouble connecting it to the hub. I immediately reached out to the company and was put into contact with Miss Crystal Wang. And this is our exchange. You know, I told her I was having problems. I couldn't get the hub to connect to the app. She asked me about my router. I told her that I had a Nighthawk X6. She told me she would check on it. She got back with me a couple of days and said that there was an update to the app. And so that's where we are now. Let's go ahead and see, am I able to connect the Sofabaton to the hub? So let's see if it's working now, guys. Let's go. Go ahead and you want to download the Sofabaton app, open it up, and you want to select the remote control. This is the X1. You see set up new hub. You go ahead and set it up. Now you want to make sure that your hub have that green light right there. All right. And you want to follow the prompt that's on there. And it's going to tell you to press and hold right here 3 seconds. All right. And that should begin to blink. All right. You see it's blinking blue. We can go on to the next stage. Blue indicators blinking. Yes, I see the blue indicator. And it should find our hub for us. You see right there, Sofabaton. Want to select it. We want to set up the Wi-Fi. All right, so after you do your Wi-Fi, you set it up, you put in your password. Now just remember that this only works on 2G, so you're not going to be able to select the 5G on your router. So I selected the router that I wanted. I put in my password, and we should be good. It say Wi-Fi is required for the hub configuration. Connect. Wi-Fi. Connect to the same studio. To the same Wi-Fi, I meant to say. And we should be good. Back to Sofabaton and connect. And that's our hub right here. Save it. Update. You're going to update the firmware. And then we should be able to use our remote after that. All right. Sure. So we're good to go right here, guys. So we should be set up and ready to rock and roll. Hey guys, welcome back. So there you have it. That is the Sofabaton. Like I said, there's many people out there that have done a review, but you know I'm honest, and I had a problem, so I didn't post it. You know my philosophy. If a company send me something to promote on this channel, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my bias aside, and I'm going to see, does it work as advertised? In this case, even though I have a great relationship with the company and the past products, it worked well. This did not. I communicated with them right away to give me a solution, and they fixed the problem. This is what you are looking for in a company. You're looking for a company to be responsive, and you're looking for a company to back their product. I'm pleased to say they have backed their product, and now it's working. Now, if you want to see me do a complete review on how it worked, hey, leave a comment below. It's your boy, Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Sofabaton X1 is now working.
Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.